Just the right size to keep my modem, telephone, etc. sleek and contemporary look. All the assembly materials were right in quantity and quality. No issues with the assembly. Served my purpose in totality. Look-wise, quality-wise, size-wise. Superb, elegant design, wonderful mechanism, nice matte finishing. Value for money, and overall inner satisfaction. Thanks Deckup and Amazon. Today assembled by self. I suggest Deckup specially for dedicated customer service and quality product. Good product. However, it's taken my 1 hour for assemble. Bought this at a good discount. Was cheaper than most other options. Looks great and feels sturdy in use. We got a carpenter to assemble it for 200 extra. This is something I was actually looking to keep my set-top box. It serves the purpose well. Very sturdy, well finished. Love the way it looks after assembling. Assembling was very easy but very tricky at the same time. Luckily I found a video on YouTube and it helped a lot. Seller must also upload a video for easy understanding as the user manual is not enough for buyers like me. To start with, the packaging was very good. This is my first experience buying furniture online. So, was concerned about packaging and how to install. The pieces were clearly marked with numbers and the manual sheet helped a lot. The side table is quite sturdy. One suggestion is that they can improve on the softening of edges, though giving 5 star. Otherwise, a very good product at this price range. Assembly is easy. I was confused at the assembly instructions at the beginning and got frustrated, but their Yut video helped and after that assemble was done at click of fingers. The overall look is okay. Product did not arrive with any damages. Their packing was good. You definitely don't need a carpenter for assembly. Also I've been using this for a couple of days. So this is my initial impression. Amazing product, love material, app size. It's worth the money. This is my second purchase from Deckup and I am happy with the product. This side table is quite elegant and sturdy. The quality and finish of this product is good. This table can be easily assembled with the help of the instruction pamphlet provided. I got a call from Deckup before the product was dispatched to confirm on the order and delivery details. Good service from Amazon and Deckup to have this product delivered quickly and with good packaging. All in all, happy with the quality and service. I am totally satisfied with the product. It's heavy though, which is a good thing. Looks and feels like it will last. Installation was bit confusing, however after few mistakes you will get the idea which nut and which board goes where and when. It was puzzle game for me but I like the installation process. Please go ahead and buy the product. It adds look to your room and also each shelf can accommodate 10 to 15 books depending upon size of books. Please note that you cannot keep most books in standing position in the bottom shelves for restricted height. Please refer my pic. Overall it's a good product and worth the investment. Easy to assemble, very sturdy, go for it guys. The only advice is don't use it in the place where you may spill water. I have purchased it for my work table. Please check the image attached. Excellent quality same as appear in pic, I'll recommend to all. It made my room more attractive and classy. Good space for your books and lightweight. Thanks Amazon, I liked it. Good product, easy to assemble, but wish it was a bit more taller. It took a couple of hours to make as I was building something for the first time, but if you follow the instructions it's quite straightforward. Be careful not to screw in the fittings too tight as it may causes the polish to chip off. Looks great and fits quite a lot of stuff. I have set it up as a bedside table. Mind-blowing product, and the best part is to assemble. Value for money and definitely satisfied the need. Just go for it. Love these DIY concepts. Looks good, and quite spacious, a decent addition to our living room. Had fun assembling it as well. Just like putting together a puzzle. A bit pricey though, but overall quite sturdy. It's a nice small table which looks good in the corner of a room and can be used to keep multiple small little things. Very good. Very happy with the table. Very good material, sturdy. Beautiful design, supportive manual provided with package. Hardware articles kept with the package was also very good. It takes at least an hour for self-installation, so requires patience. But overall, the product is awesome. Little bit troubling for installing it, but after that it looks so beautiful, trust me. Highly recommend to all, it's really worth of money. Thank you so much Decup for their support. Finally happy, so giving 5-star to product. Go for it. A good side table. Sturdy and easy to install. I am using one for about 6 months. This is my second order. All smooth, only complaint is I received about 6 automated phone calls. That wasn't necessary. Planks needed glue fixing too in spite of screws. I was a bit worried since there was no installation support. I thought it would take at least half day of time, but to my surprise when I saw the installation video I got from the seller through WhatsApp, it turned out to be simple installation. We just need to focus on the video and the installation is pretty easy. The item is good. Feels sturdier than the shoe rack I got. Instructions should be clearer and illustrations are difficult to follow. Finished assembly with lot of head scratching. One plastic foot provided went through base plate and board C-pick and damaged the bottom shelf. Just shows poor quality hardware. The dowels should fit tighter in their holes to make the item sturdier. Very nice product. Loved it. Thank you. Good table for the price. I am using it in my living room for keeping router and other stuff. I found assembling difficult, so called on the given contact number and got it assembled for additional 300 rupees. Don't go for the 10 days returnable policy, buy it only if you genuinely love it, because even if you don't, you have to keep it, as it is simply non-returnable. But their customer service is absolutely awesome. 6 stars for that. Click link in description for more reviews.